immediately after, you'll
Depende sa mayorya. That can happen the following day. Most likely the following day. Anong oras na ba yun? Depende.
So magko-convene na kayo.
I'll give you an example din pa. Ikaw naman. Kung morning ang session ng impeachment court, mag-o-oath kami in plenary ng July 30. Clearly, hindi kami dedire-diretso pag-oath namin. Di ba? The following day na kami mag-o-open ng court, if ever, ng July 30. Anong hindi ko maintindihan yung...
Day one as impeachment court. So yung after the ban na off-taking nyo, yun din po ba yung technically pag-convene nyo po as impeachment?
Hindi nga eh. Hindi.
So kailan yung day one, sir, na kayo ay
Gusto ko nga bigay sa inyo na lang yung papel eh. Nakalagay July 30. Proposed yun ha. This is proposed. I told you to give it to them earlier. Proposed yun ha. Lahat to proposed. Again ha, pinag-uusapan natin lahat to ilang ulit na. Sinulat lang namin para mas maintindihan. Magko-convene ng Senate. Pag-resume namin, most likely nga July 3. Sabi ko, di ba? June 3. Wala namang session ng July 3. Kayo naman.
Pero sir, kasi diba, after off-taking, you'll be issuing summons.
The impeachment court is the one that should issue summons. Not the plenary. Unless the rules authorize the Senate President to issue it